Very quick update. I'm in the editor just now, and I've now built a new node system, so now I can go in and edit traffic nodes, and here we can see the nodes that are based around this. So you can see that each one of these cubes represents the node, but these are a little bit different to pedestrian ones because they can only go in one flow. So you can see here, for example, if you look at this one, traffic can only flow into it. However, it then has a choice. It can either go to that node or it can go to that node, so the traffic can choose one of two directions to go in. I can build a bit of a network here. I extended it around it, so what I'm going to do is very quickly throw in a couple of nodes, add a node there, and I'll connect that one up to it. So now the traffic's now got a choice of going in that direction. I'm not going to do a little bit, add connection 1 there, connect that node up. What I'm going to do is just drag this node around the building. I'll just create these nodes, and this is literally just creating a path that vehicles can potentially follow. Do that there, and there. Now, when we come up to here, this is a little bit different, so I'm going to add a node here and connect that one into it. Now, where this one gets a bit different is here, it's got two potential options, so it could go back around that way, or it could go that way. So I'm just going to create the two nodes. You can see that one now goes both directions there. Now I could go and set up the rest of this road here, so I'll just put a node there, and go and set that one second connection to there, so the traffic can choose to go straight ahead there, add a node there, throw that in there. I'm going to just create a node across here. Now obviously I don't have traffic lights at the moment, although I put a post in how I think I'm going to do them. I actually don't think it's that difficult, and the traffic I'm going to add in a minute doesn't actually have any recasting in front of it yet, so they will just overlap each other or run down pedestrians or whatever else they happen to want to do. Just create a node there, connect that one up, and again this one here is a little bit different because what I need to do is create a node there, and then take this one, connect that one up to that. Now this one can either have the traffic go straight ahead, or you can go around that block there. So that's it. That's a simple way that we create those nodes. I'm going to just save that off, and we'll press F1 to add a vehicle, which I can't see at the moment. Oh, there he is. So there he is, navigating around the town, my little car. So what I'm going to do is just zoom back out a little bit and go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25. So there's 25 cars. You can see here there's a problem here, there's no recasting, so they're just going to bunch over the top of each other, so I'll do that next. But that shows that the basics of the node system works effectively. It's not important, but these cars actually have independent wheels, so I can actually set axle heights on the tyres and stuff as they bump over stuff. But there we go, the basics of a traffic system. So once I build that into the game engine from the editor, I'll potentially have the cars milling around, as well as pedestrians. And the next step will be to add the traffic light system that stops cars from going through anything else and stops pedestrians from crossing when there's cars moving by.